Alright, so here is how to create a pivot chart. It's so simple. I have the sales data and I want to create a pivot chart to showcase my sales according to months and let's say country names because my manager wants to see insight into this data. To create a pivot chart, first of all, I would recommend you convert your data into an Excel table. Select your data, press Ctrl plus T and click OK. The table is here. Now go to insert and here you see the option that says pivot chart. Click on it and here they ask you if this is the table you want to create a pivot chart. Press OK and now we are on a brand new worksheet and we have our pivot chart. On the right hand side we have all the fields. If I want to see the sum of sales, I'll drag sales into the value section and now our pivot chart has started to be created. Let's put months into this category. And now my manager can see the sum of sales according to months. But she said she wants to see the sales according to countries as well. So I'll drag the country and put it here. Now my pivot chart is ready to show to my manager. She can now see how our sales went according to date and countries. Well, alright, I'm going to show this to her. You go and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell icon. See you next time.